Welcome to Echoo's Weekly Market Pulse, your go-to series for the hottest IPO action and equity market moves delivered every week. While summer often slows financial markets as investors take a break, the IPO machine is far from idle. We're seeing a strategic pause before what could be a busy post-summer listing season. Despite headwinds like tariff talks and renewed geopolitical tensions, the market is holding steady, keeping the global IPO pipeline very much alive. Across Europe and the US, early looks, preliminary talks between companies and investors are already underway for post-summer IPOs. These early looks help companies gauge demand and fine-tune timing before the formal roadshow begins. Let's start in London, where Norwegian software giant Visma, backed by private equity firm Echoo, has chosen London for its IPO, eyeing a valuation of over €19 billion. This would make it one of the largest tech listings in UK history and could reignite interest in London as a serious tech hub, especially after a quiet year for UK IPOs. Over in the US, Uber-backed Lime, the micromobility pioneer known for its e-scooters and bikes, has hired investment banks and is preparing for a long-awaited IPO, potentially as soon as next year. Lime stands out in a tough sector thanks to its proprietary technology and disciplined operations. The US IPO market is showing clear signs of revival, with strong debuts from companies like Chime, Circle and CoreWeave, sparking optimism for a robust pipeline ahead. Jefferson Capital, a US-based debt collector backed by JC Flowers, successfully raised $150 million in its recent IPO, giving the company a $1.2 billion valuation. The listing shows ongoing appetite for income-focused defensive names in today's uncertain macro climate. Turning to India, digital payments company Pine Labs, backed by PayPal, has filed for an IPO to raise around $300 million at a $6 billion valuation. Pine Labs is a key player in India's booming fintech sector. Meanwhile, Tata Capital, the financial services arm of India's iconic Tata Group, has received regulatory approval for its highly anticipated IPO, which could raise up to $2 billion, potentially the largest in India this year. In a rare move, Kuwaiti convenience store chain Trolley is preparing to go public as early as this year, marking a notable step for Kuwait's quiet IPO market. German exchange operator Deutsche Börse is preparing a $1 billion IPO for its data analytics unit, ISS Stoxx. This spin-off will allow Deutsche Börse to unlock value in the booming data-as-a-service segment, which is increasingly attractive to institutional investors. The ISS Stoxx business combines ESG analytics and index services, with ESG assets projected to reach $70 trillion globally. Other major data-as-a-service success stories include Refinitiv, Bloomberg, FactSet, and S&P Global Market Intelligence. FWD Group, a Hong Kong-based insurer backed by Pacific Century Group, is aiming